Hi dear viewers, and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. In this video we're going to talk about a problem that is pretty rare, especially in highly developed countries, and that is a problem with bad gas quality. If you have the bad luck of running across a bad batch of gas, you can experience some dramatic problems on your car. The important thing is to recognize that the gas is the problem and not something else, and hopefully this video will help with that. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Engine sputtering. In most cases, the first symptom of bad gas quality is a noticeable change in how the engine runs. You'll notice it both while the engine is idling and when you rev the engine up. Instead of the usual smooth running, the engine will sputter, sometimes it will stall a bit, and after that it may suddenly start running normally again. The sputtering can happen occasionally or be present all the time. Engine misfire. If the fuel quality is really bad, besides sputtering, there may also be some serious engine misfire. You'll notice it easily by the engine running rough and the engine violently shaking in the engine bay. In some cases, you may even hear a loud bang from the exhaust. Low engine performance. Next, if you were to try and drive the car with this bad quality fuel, you'll immediately notice a big decrease in engine performance. The car will stall, the drive will be jerky, and the gas pedal response will be sluggish and very weak. In worst cases, the car will be totally undrivable. The check engine light appears. At this time, the check engine light will also appear. This is mainly due to a big disturbance in the engine's combustion and the abnormal exhaust fume values. In some cases, the car may even go into limp mode. High fuel consumption. If you manage to drive the car in this situation, you'll soon notice a huge increase in fuel consumption. It will be dramatic. As a rough estimate, the fuel consumption can go up as much as 50%. Long cranking. Finally, you may experience long cranking when you try to start the car. It may be present as soon as you pour the bad gas, or it may be present later when the bad gas gets into the car's fuel system. It's symptomatic that the cranking sounds like the engine will start, but it does not, or the engine barely starts after some heavy cranking. As mentioned, it is crucial to recognize this problem on time for two main reasons. The first one is to avoid making unnecessary repairs. Lots of people, when faced with this problem, start checking the spark plugs, ignition coils, the fuel injectors and whatnot for nothing. At the end, it is a big loss of time. Second, bad quality gas, if you continue driving, may damage the engine due to the engine running rough and because of the bad combustion. If you happen to pour this kind of fuel, either find good fuel and try to mix it with the bad batch and hope for the best, or, and this is the best solution, drain the bad fuel from the gas tank and from the fuel system as much as possible, pour in some new, fresh, good quality fuel and continue driving. So that's it for this time. We hope this video helps notice the problem on time. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for the channel. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.